Good day, class. Today we're going to discuss the evaluating function. But first, what is evaluating function? To evaluate function is to replace its variable with a given number or expression. So think of a domain as the set of the function input values and the range as the set of the function output values as shown in the figure below. The input is represented by x and the output is represented by f of x. So, ibig sabihin class, okay, in this one, we have f of x. This is the input. Therefore, ito yung isa-substitute natin dun sa evaluating function. Yes, sa evaluating function, you need to replace the variable na given value. Okay? Or you need to substitute the given value. Now, what is the f of x? F of x, that is the symbol for function. Again, f of x is the symbol for function. In some references, it can be g of x, h of x, r of x. So, any letter pwedeng gamitin as long as merong of x. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, we're pertaining to the function. Now, let's have an example. For example, we have f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2, wherein the given value of x is 2. Okay? So for example, we have this one. Now, ang una nating gagawin is we need to substitute the value of 2 in this given. So it will become 3 times 2 quantity squared plus 2. Okay? Then compute. 2 squared, ilan? So multiply by itself, so it will become 4. 4 times 3 plus 2. So 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to 14. Final answer. Are we clear? That's it. Next example. For example, we have 7x squared plus 5x minus 3. And we have 3 as x value. So anong gagawin? Substitute the value of x dito. So we have 7 multiplied to 3 squared plus 5 times 3 minus 3. Okay? So here we have 3 squared. So 3 squared, it will become 9. Okay? Then 7 plus 5 times 3. It will be 15 minus 3. Okay? Now, 7 times 9, ilan? Okay? 63. So 7 times 9 is 63 plus 15 minus 3. 63 plus 15 minus 3. So we have 75. Now, f of 3 is equal to 75. That is the final answer. Clear? Okay, absorb. Okay. Now, another example. For example, we have a fraction. Okay? For example, we have 4x squared plus 2x minus 3. Then we have 1/2. Again, substitute the given to the given function. So it will become 4 multiplied to 1/2 quantity squared plus 2 times 1/2 minus 3. Okay, substitute the given first, then 1/2 times 1/2. It will become 1/4. So 4 times 1/4. Naiintindihan? Minultiply natin by itself to. 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. Plus, okay? 2 times 1/2 minus 3. Now, pay attention. Okay? So we have 4 times 1/4. Just add 1 as denominator para numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. It will become 4 over 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. That's why it become 1. Okay? Next. 2 times 1/2. Just add 1 as denominator. Okay? 2 times 1, 2. 1 times 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1 din. Nakasunod? Okay. Bakit tayo nag-add ng 1 as denominator sa part na to? Kasi this is a whole number. In order to multiply a whole number to a fraction, you can do this. Okay? Clear? Yan. Then, minus 3. Now, compute. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 3, negative 1. So, therefore, we have f of negative, f of 1/2, f of 1/2 is equal to negative 1. Clear? F of 1/2 is equal. Now, how about kapag may negative na yung value? So for example, in this one, we have negative 3. So once again, substitute nyo lang yung given. We have 4 times negative 3, quantity squared, minus 3, then times negative 3 plus 2. So sinubstitute lang natin yung value ng x ng negative 3. Okay? Then compute. As you can see, we have negative 3 quantity squared. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Multiply by itself yung given. Negative 3 times negative 3, 9. Okay? This is 9. Bakit naging positive? Negative times negative, positive. So 9. Okay? Then, given tayo ng 4, then negative 3 times negative 3. We have positive 9. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Plus 2. Yan. Now, compute in this one. Okay? So we have 4 times 9. That will be 36. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 9 plus 2. Plus 9 plus 2. That will be 47. So the f of negative 3 is 47. Final answer. Clear? Ayun. So in this evaluating function, you just need to substitute the given value and then apply the rules of mathematics, yung integers, okay? Yung addition, subtraction, multiplication of integers para hindi kayo malito kung bakit ito naging negative at bakit ito naging positive. Are we clear? Ayun. So basically, sa evaluating function, you just need to substitute the given and then perform the given operations. Are we clear? Okay.